Namaskar. So today we will see some questions for competitive exams like GATE. So let me start sharing the screen. Some of the questions I have taken from gradeup.co website and some other online resources. Okay, but we will see how to solve those problems. Questions have been taken from there, different places. So thanks to those people for providing the questions. Let us jump into some questions. Dx of t by dt is equal to dash at t equal to 1.5, where x of t is given as u of t plus r of t minus 2 times r of t minus 1 plus r of t minus 2 minus u of t minus 2. So how do you solve this problem? Let us try to understand. We know that the derivative of unit step function will be the delta function. Okay, so that is the delta of t. Then derivative of this r of t will be, which is the ramp function, the derivative of that will be unit step function. So I am going to write that. So what I am writing is now dx of t by dt. Okay, so I am trying to write what is dx of t by dt. Okay, yeah, let me take a different color, right? So this is the question above one and the below is the answer. So let us start writing. So r of t has become u of t, then minus 2 times r of t minus 1. So again that is a ramp function that will start from 1 onwards, right? So if you take derivative, you are going to get like this, u of t minus 1. Next, this r of t minus 2 will yield u of t minus 2, okay, after doing derivative. Then u of t minus 2 will yield us delta of t minus 2, right? Okay, now let us try to find out the value at t equal to 1.5. We know that delta of t equal to 0 if t is not equal to 0, right? So when I am substituting t equal to 1.5, this value will go to 0. Now u of t, how the graph will look, just see. The graph will look something like this, right? I am drawing here. So till 0 its value is 0, and from 0 onwards, like, its value is becoming 1, right? So this is how u of t looks. So at this is up to 0, so this is 1, 2, 3, so on, so on. So at 1.5 you see the height will be 1, so this height will be 1 here. Then u of t minus 1 is there. So u of t minus 1 means it will start at 1. So from 1 onwards till 1 its value, let me draw properly, till 1 its value is 0. At 1 वो क्या होता है, 1 होता है, ठीक है ना? तो वैसा, ठीक है. सो क्या होता है, तो 1 तक, ठीक है, वो 0 है, तो 1 से वो उसका वैल्यू क्या होता है, 1 हो जाता है, ठीक है ना? तो दैट इज योर u of t minus 1. Okay, so at 1.5, so this is at 1, right? So at 1.5 its value will be 1 again, so this value is 1, and anyhow again minus 2 is there. Okay, so the overall value will become like this. This is 1 and this is contributing minus 2 totally. And then you see now u of t minus 2. u of t minus 2 क्या होता है, डायग्राम ड्रा करें तो let us take some different color from here. Okay, let it be. So up to 2 its value, yeah, up to 2, let me take this color. Up to 2 its value will be 0. At 2 it starts raising to 1, right? At 2 it jumps to 2, and then further it will be at 2 it jumps to height 1, and then it remains at height 1. So this happens at 2, but I want the value at 1.5. So at 1.5 the value will be 0 only, right? So the contribution of this term will be 0. And then delta of t minus 2 will be non-zero only when t equal to 2, right? But we want it at t equal to 1.5. So when you substitute 1.5 at t, this is going to become delta of minus 0.5. So delta of minus 0.5 is 0. So this value will also be, overall the contribution of this is also 0. So final answer is simply contributed mainly by, means non-zero values are contributed mainly by these two terms, right? So 1 minus 2, so that the final answer will be minus 1. Okay, so like that it is a very simple question. अब हम दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. तो इंटीग्रल ऑफ 0 to 3 x step x dx. ठीक है, दिस क्वेश्चन हैज बीन टेकन फ्रॉम gradup.co वेबसाइट. तो इसको हम कैसा सॉल्व करना देखेंगे. तो लेट मी टेक ए डिफरेंट कलर. या सो हम शुरू करेंगे. तो दिस इंटरवल को हम ब्रेकअप करेंगे, बट हाउ टू ब्रेक इट अप, लेट अस सी. स्टेप एक्स फंक्शन जो है ना वो कैसा रहता हम देखेंगे पहले. तो इफ आई ड्रा हियर 0 1 2 3 4, दिस इज एक्स एंड ये वाई एक्सिस के तरफ हम स्टेप एक्स लिखेंगे. इधर भी 1 2 3 लाइक दैट. लेट अस पुट नाउ 0 से लेके 0.9999 तक इसका वैल्यू क्या होता है. स्टेप एक्स का वैल्यू 0 से लेके 0.999999 तक इसका वैल्यू 0 ही रहता है. एग्जैक्टली एट 1 दिस फंक्शन विल जंप टू 1 एंड वहां से लेके 1.999999 तक उसका वैल्यू 1 ही रहता. एग्जैक्टली व्हेन x बिकम्स 2 वो जंप होता है 2 तक. फिर वहां से 2.999999 तक वो 2 पे रह जाता. फिर एग्जैक्टली एट 3 इट विल जंप टू हाइट 3 और वहां से 3.999999 तक वो 3 पे रहता, हाइट 3 पे. तो दिस इज हाउ द स्टेप फंक्शन लुक्स. ओके, तो नाउ फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट वी कैन से, I can break this interval given integral limits like this. 0 से लेके 1 माइनस तक बोल तो अप टू समथिंग लाइक 0.99999 तक, लिटिल लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ 1 तक. ठीक है, तो I can say like that. So 1 माइनस तक x step x dx प्लस फिर 1 से लेके 2 माइनस बोलते लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट 2 के लेफ्ट साइड, लिटिल लेफ्ट साइड. ठीक है, फिर वहां भी x स्टेप x dx. फिर ऐसे ही आई कैन राइट 2 से लेके 3 तक. ओके, तो आई हैव टू पुट 3 माइनस ओके x dx, x स्टेप x dx. ओके, सो नाउ यू सी क्या होता है इधर. ये स्टेप एक्स वैल्यू कितना होता है 0 1 के बीच में, इसका वैल्यू 0 है ना, 1 पहुंचा नहीं. ठीक है, 1 से थोड़ा लिटिल लेफ्ट तक है तो इसका वैल्यू 0 होता है स्टेप एक्स का वैल्यू. सो ओवरऑल वैल्यू विल बिकम, दिस इंटीग्रल ओवरऑल वैल्यू विल बिकम 0 बिकॉज इट इज लाइक इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 0. ठीक है, देन इधर क्या होता है स्टेप एक्स का वैल्यू 1 एंड 2 के बीच में क्या होता. ओके, वी हैव नॉट रीच्ड 2, लिटिल लेफ्ट ऑफ 2 तक हम ले रहा है तो इसका वैल्यू हाइट होता है 1. सो इट विल बिकम इंटीग्रल ऑफ x dx सिंपली. राइट, राइट. So and that is okay, and that value is constant, right? That value is 1, the step x value is 1. Okay, so this is happening between 1 and 2 minus. एंड सेम वे इधर क्या होता देखो 2 से लेके 3 माइनस तक. ठीक है, इस x ऐसे रह जाता. देन दिस स्टेप x क्या होता देखो, step x value between 2 and okay, between 2 and up to little left of 3, इसका वैल्यू 2 है, सो हम 2 लिखेंगे इधर, तो लेट मी राइट dx. Okay, now let us try to calculate these values, right? So this will integration of x dx will become x square by 2, so I will get x square by 2, limits are 1 to 2 प्लस अगेन इसका 2x है ना, सो ये होता है 2 इंटू इंटीग्रल ऑफ x इज x स्क्वायर बाई 2. ओके, लिमिट्स आर 2 से लेके 3 तक. सो इसका वैल्यू हम एवेल्यूएट करेंगे अभी. लेट मी जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट. नाउ इफ आई पुट 2 हियर इन प्लेस ऑफ x, 2 स्क्वायर आएगा, 1 लगाए तो 1 स्क्वायर आएगा, सो 2 स्क्वायर माइनस 1 स्क्वायर, तो दैट विल बिकम 3 डिवाइडेड बाई ये 2 है, सो 2 लिखेंगे. प्लस फिर इधर देखो ये 2 कट हो जाएगा, एक्स स्क्वायर है तो अपर लिमिट 3, सो 3 स्क्वायर, लोअर लिमिट 2, सो 2 स्क्वायर, सो 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, सो दैट विल बिकम 5. ठीक है, सो 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 स्क्वायर, सो दैट इज 5. सो दिस इज योर फाइनल आंसर, सो 6.5. ओके, तो दूसरा प्रॉब्लम हम देखेंगे. 51 by 4 it is represented in some particular number system. Say the number system is, say, represented with b is equal to 13, and this is again b. So we need to find what is that number system b. For example, it may be binary system, decimal system, octal system, we don't know. Okay, that is what we have to find. Okay, so how do we do this particular problem? So the question is find out that b. Okay, it may be octal, it may be decimal, it may be binary, whatever it may be, so we need to find that. So let us do like this. I can say 51 in this particular system is equal to 13 in that same system multiplied by 4 in that particular system, right? Now this I can write as 5 into b plus 1, because you know this is 5 into b power 1 plus 1 into b power 0, right? That is equal to, देखो इधर, this I can write as 1 into b power 1, so this 1 is this 1, and this 5 is this 5, this 1 is this 1, okay, and then this 3 I am going to now write here, plus 3 into b power 0, right? Play. Okay, so this everything is there, this is multiplied with this number. What is this number? Simply single digit is there, so it is 4 into b power 0. Okay, this is b power 0. Okay, so now let us just evaluate this. What is this? This is 1, this is b plus 3, and this value is simply 4, right? So left side will be 5b plus 1. Okay, now this I can write as 4b plus, okay, 12. Now you should be careful here. Okay, you should be careful. Suppose if I am writing 12 here, okay, when I am writing 12 here, I need to understand a few important things. For example, if you are representing some number in octal system, none of the digits can be more than 7. If you are using a decimal system, none of the digits can be more than 9. If you are using binary system, none of the digits can be more than 1. Okay, that means if you are taking say octal systems which is with the base 8, you can only have the numbers like 0 to 7. These are the valid numbers. Okay, valid digits in the particular given number. Okay, so that is why when you are simply multiplying 3 and 4 and you are calling it as 12, if it is decimal system there is no problem. Okay, but if, if the system is something else, you may not be able to directly say whether it is 12 or not. Okay, you should be careful whether to say like that or not. Okay, so you should be a little bit careful. So you can write 3 into 4 as 12, but that 12 you need to represent again in the proper base system, whatever base system you are using. Okay, so let it be like this as of now 12. Then this is 5b plus 1. So when I take this 4b towards that side and this 1 towards this side, you are going to get a b equal to 11. Okay, okay, b equal to 11. Okay, so if you want to cross check whether this is correct or not, let us do a quick analysis. Let us put say here 51. The base is assumed to be 11 now. So in that sense, what is this going to become? 5 into 11, so this is going to become 55. Okay, plus this is simply 1, so that is going to become 56 on the left side. Let us check on the right side whether this is going to give the same answer. Okay, so you have 13 with the base 11, so that is going to become like 1 into 11. This is going to become 11 plus this is going to become plus 3, so this is going to totally become 14. And then you have simply 4 here, so 14 into 4, you know, it is 56. Okay, so it is matching and it is correct. Okay, so b equal to 11 is the answer for this. ठीक है, धन्यवाद. और एक प्रॉब्लम देखेंगे हम. अब हम और एक प्रॉब्लम देखेंगे. This question is also taken from gradeup.co website. So question is, let me take this. 3 squares are chosen at random from a standard chessboard. Okay, probability that two are of one color and the other one is of different color. Okay, so what is the probability of choosing 3 such squares? Okay, let us try to understand the question. There are totally 64 small squares, of which 32 are black and 32 are white. Now हम क्या करना? We need to take 2 from here and 1 from here, or 1 from here and then 2 from here. So you can clearly see this can be done like this. From these 32 you say take 2, so 32 C2. Okay, and here from 32 you are taking 1, so multiplied by 32 C1. Same way here also, this is going to become 32 C1 multiplied by 32 C2. So those are the favorable scenarios. So I can write now final answer as 32 C2 into 32 C1, like that 2 times, right? Because this is one possibility and this is another possibility, like. ठीक है, तो 2 बार हम लिखेंगे. डिवाइडेड बाई टोटल नंबर ऑफ वेज. टोटली हम 64 से 3 बॉक्सेस चुनना है ना. ठीक है, so 64 C3. So let me just simplify this now. 2 into, now this is 32 C2 will be written as 32 into 31 by 2. So this is 2, so I have to start with 32, then I have to write totally 2 numbers in decreasing order because this is 2 here, and then divided by, so this is 2, so I have to start with 2 and then in the decreasing order I should write up to 1, like that. So that's the thing. Then similarly here 32C1 will be simply 32 whole divided by, now this will become 64 into 63 into 62 whole divided by 3 into 2, okay, into 1. So that one I'm not writing here. Okay, so let us cut these things. So there is 132, that 32 will go with this 2 times, okay, right? Then this 2 you can cut with this 2, okay, then okay, you can, right, then this 31 can get cancelled here, 31 2 times it will go, like that you can continue doing the work, okay. Then so if you just finally do all these things, now this 3 will go how many times you can check, 3 2s are 3 1s are, so 21 बच गया इधर, ठीक है। तो फिर और क्या बच गया, देखो ये दो कट कर दो, फिर ये दो जो है इधर कट कर दो, ये 16 हो जाएगा। सो योर फाइनल आंसर विल बिकम 16/21, ठीक है ना, वैसा हम कर सकते, ठीक है। धन्यवाद। तो ऐसा आप प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व कर सकते, बहुत आसान रहता है। तो आज के लिए हम इधर बंद करेंगे, धन्यवाद।